Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today I'm hitting y'all with a pretty cool review. What we got going on right here is the Paris Olympics Jordan 4 dropping in July. I believe July 26th is the rumored date, so we're going to get into showing you guys the sneaker, box, everything else that comes with it. Of course, box label right there if you guys need a quick glimpse. So we'll get into discussing these in a second. This is just a 10.5. I believe I'm doing a trade with somebody for these. We'll see, if that ends up not falling through, that'd be good. Because I do want to, sell this pair. But if not, the main reason I want to sell it's because I got my size 9 on the way. So, I'm trying to clear up some capital. But we'll get into reviewing the sneaker and really just showing you all the details with it because it's coming very soon. So if you guys want more content like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Don't forget, let's try and hit 200 likes in this video. Just lets me know that y'all want more early reviews just like this. Again, on sneakers. Because, again, I can always get early pairs. So if y'all, want them, just keep letting me know. I've been doing it recently. We got the dinner plate SBs. Recently had, the chameleon SB reviews. So y'all can see we got quite a few early pairs in. But if y'all want the reviews, let me know. I'll keep doing them. And you guys can also check out my Instagrams down below if you ever want to buy or sell with me. I'm doing a lot of business right there. So feel free to check out some of the stuff on my story I got for sale. Got some Nina Chanel's. If anybody needs 5W through 12W, let me know. I got that for sale. We'll have extended sizes very, very soon. Probably this weekend. But that is pretty much what I need to mention. Also, don't forget to check out my YouTube memberships down below. If you guys want to get access to some of the, the emojis, you see me commenting those down below. Also, it's not just that. Like, if you want to watch any of the live streams back, there's some features there. Also, get free shipping if you do deals with me on Instagram. I think there's even one that has an offer for a discounted Resell Vision membership. Because keep in mind, that's my group. I'll pop that in the screen. That's launching very, very soon on July 1st. Not a cook group, but a sourcing group. So if you guys like sourcing sneakers, like getting better prices on your shoes, making more from your sales, basically getting shoes for better prices where you're able to make a flip in it or just, get it personal for a good deal, that's what we specialize in. And we're giving a free pair of Canary Yellows to somebody that joins on launch day. So don't miss out on that. Follow that page. Lots of good info there. And the Q&A was just posted. But that's everything I need to say. And why don't we get into reviewing the Paris Olympic Jordan 4. So the first thing I wanted to get into showing you guys, I'll show the sneaker in a second, but we got something. The box is very, very interesting. As you guys can see, first things first, I don't know what it's supposed to be based off, right? But you guys can see right here, it kind of looks like a sidewalk, you know what I mean? But you guys can see there's the Jumpman. It kind of blends in very, very well. So it almost looks like it's not there. Like I just noticed this, like while I was like recording the intro. I was like, wait, is there a Jumpman on that box? But yeah, it's kind of hard to tell at first. So kind of an interesting design right there. I think that's pretty cool. Also got it on the bottom of the box. And the material of the box, as you guys can hear, like, see what I mean? It's kind of a scratchy material. I hate that sound. Ugh. But yeah, sorry, I don't know why that messes like with me. The box material just, I don't know, it makes my hands sweaty. I can't rock with it. But I think it's really cool. Like, it is a nice touch to the sneaker. And obviously that same material is also on the toe box of the sneaker right here. So I don't like that, kind of that like hard material on the shoe, you know what I mean? I didn't scratch it right there. I didn't. Okay, that was good. But yeah, kind of an interesting choice of material on the toe box as well. But we'll get into that in a second. So again, that's pretty much what we got going on with the box. I showed y'all again the box tag at the start. This is just 10.5, dropping very, very soon. So just wanted to show you guys that. There's nothing really like too crazy or special on the inside of the box, you know what I mean? It's just that right there, so y'all can see. But aside from that, why don't we get into showing y'all the actual sneaker? So there is the Jumpman, again, back by the heel. Very, very clean. Love how the different shades of gray kind of contrast in the back there. Again, the one with the Jumpman is kind of like this gray is darker than, what we got on the outside of the sneaker here. And this is a very interesting material. Like, this is leather, almost. Like, you know what I mean? Like, this material here, it doesn't... It seems like leather, but I know it's not. You know what I mean? That's one of the main things I can say. So a very interesting choice of material on the sneaker. Like, I'm still trying to figure this out. It seems like a suede though, for what we got going on around the sneaker right there. However, this is not suede. This is like the same material that we got going on the box almost. So very, very interesting in terms of what they decided to use right there. So hopefully you guys can see that. The kind of contrast in material from this to the toe box. Because usually they use the same materials. It's just this is, a different shade. But as you guys can see, two different ones. So they switched it up for that, which I thought was pretty cool. But also, the soles on these, all gray. As you guys can see, I believe back here. Does it contrast a little bit? No, it doesn't. Okay, but you guys can see it. Just all gray right there. So hopefully you guys can see that. Pretty cool. I'm rocking with that. And another detail. Again, I've already shown y'all that, but that's probably one of my favorite portions. Also, very, very nice material right here. On the tongue tag. Again, I could see these aging well. Like, some people are like, oh, these are the bootleg, calls fours, which I think that's a great comparison. You know what I mean? Again, very, very similar in terms of the shades of gray. Overall, choices of material they decided to use. But yeah, this is a very, very soft kind of suede material. So I thought that was pretty fancy, pretty nice. Overall, seems like a very, very comfortable material, but also comfortable sneaker. Like, you guys can see that. Very, very nicely done. So no extra laces with them. Just kind of these gray ones that we got on them right here. So hopefully you guys can see that. Yeah, so pretty much gray laces, gray sneaker. 2 different materials on the sneaker as well, maybe 2 or 3, because I guess, you know, the inside of the sneaker is a different material as well. But also the aglets right here, kind of that blended gray, almost like that concrete, you know, look, like the box right here, you know, this kind of looks like some concrete, you know, sidewalk material. I'm just trying to keep it easy for people, you know what I mean? But yeah, overall seems pretty cool. Also on the inside of the sneaker, you guys can see it says, I mean, just right here, it says Air Jordan. So y'all, I mean, y'all could probably see that. Air Jordan. So something a little cool right there. Just didn't want to crease the tongue tags. That seems pretty sensitive. That's actually probably one of my favorite parts as well. It's just the material choice they decided to go with on that. Very, very well done. So overall, I'll show you guys some B-roll shots of these in a second, because these are super clean. I mean, these are going to do well. There's a little air bubble as well. You see those on Jordan 4s sometimes. So, or well, not sometimes, all the time. So yeah, that's another something I thought I would mention to you guys right here. But yeah, if anybody needs a size 9, let me know, because I also have a size 9. Sorry, I was just getting up, checking my cat right there. But yeah, let me know your thoughts on this pair down below, and also this material they decided to go with right here. Very, very well done. The cage is pretty cool also. Like, it kind of pops through the cage, you know what I mean? Kind of, you know, just shows you, like, this material right here is also very, very nice. Like, whatever is under the cage seems like the same kind of suede they got going on around, you know, kind of this toe box area right here. And I guess around the whole entire sneaker by the heel, around the heel, you know what I mean? Because this is a different material. This is like, see what it's telling? It's a harder material. See what I mean? So very, very cool. Liking what we got with this sneaker. Like, these will do well. Like, even if it's a brick, I'm gonna cop one just for the personal. You know what I mean? This isn't my size. I wish it was. I got my size on the way, but I'm probably selling that 9. So if anybody needs it, let me know. But aside from that, why don't we get into some beautiful B-roll shots for this sneaker? Because again, very, very unique Jordan 4. I mean, not super unique, but I like what they've done to, you know, switch up this pair. It'll do well, you know, because again, people love gray. Box is a little bit unique, so people are gonna like it for that. You know, it's not like kind of your average, like, you know, it's not like super basic like what we got with the recent oxidized greens. I got a pair of those right here. So yeah, I got to ship those to somebody, so I'm gonna do that today. But aside from that, let me know your thoughts on the Paris Olympics, and why don't we get in some B-roll shots for this beautiful pair. Big fan of these. Depending on how many they do, they'll either do really well or they'll brick. So we'll see. I'll let you guys know once I know, you know what I mean? Anyways, guys, that's pretty much what I can say about the Paris Olympics Jordan 4. Really, really clean pair. Like, these again, as I was mentioning, probably like, again, not a minute or so ago, depending on how many of these they do, they'll either do really well or really bad. But the choices of materials they decided to go with, the suede on this toe box, you know, different shades of gray in the sneaker, really nice suede material here. I see these doing well, you know what I mean? Even if they do a couple 100,000, I still see these doing pretty well, because people are gonna like them. Again, they got that little unique box with them, a lot of small details that overall make people want this sneaker more. So that is what I think about them. But let me know your thoughts down below in the comments, and if you want more content like this, early pair reviews, be sure you guys subscribe and like down below. Let's try to 200 likes on this video. Just lets me know that these are the types of videos y'all want more of, and yeah, just let me know your thoughts. Do you think this is a good sneaker, or do you think it's one that people will probably be passing up on? I don't care, you know, if people saying Jordan 4s are dead, Jordan 4s are this. I still want it for the collection. So make sure you guys check out my Instagrams down below if you ever want to do business with me, excuse me if I could speak correctly. I'm always buying and selling there, so feel free to hit me up. You know, I got tons of stuff for sale on my story, and I'll be trading again soon. So don't DM me about trades right now, but soon, and I'll be doing them again. So that is what I can say, and yeah, I don't got too much more to mention other than Resale Vision Group. Make sure you guys check that out. Launching on July 1st. You want a chance to win a free pair of Canary Yellows? Make sure you guys join when we launch at 2 p.m. July 1st. Don't miss out on that. I'll put the link in my, you know, it'll be in my YouTube video I drop that day, but also it'll be on the Instagram bio on that day, so don't miss out. And also, you know, undermarket sneakers. That's our main specialty. For week 1, we're doing some $250 Power Puffs. I think we're doing some retail Nina Chanel's, a couple other things, just to make sure you guys, you know, will enjoy what we offer, because it'll be stuff like that every week. Good deals, that's our thing. You know, showing you all how to source or make more from your sale. And again, the YouTube membership's down below. I've said a lot in this outro, but if y'all want to check that out, again, some perks from my live streams. If you ever want to watch this back when I do this, I did a couple back-to-back live cops recently. I'll be going live again Sunday, so don't miss out. There's tons of stuff to discuss, but that's really what we got going on here. So I appreciate you guys. Hopefully I didn't say too much there, but check out any of that. It is all beneficial to you. And yeah, like we also drop stock numbers for YouTube members. Like for $1.99, you get stock numbers. Very, very easy stuff. So don't miss out on that. and let me know your thoughts on these below. Long outro, but I will catch you guys in the next video, which will be tomorrow. So see y'all then. I'm Tristan. Love you guys, and I'll see y'all then. Don't miss out. That was kind of sporadic. All right, see y'all in the next one tomorrow, yeah? Peace. Sticks made a fucking hit.